we heading towards a future where robots and AI systems take over our jobs? The rapid development of artificial intelligence is not just a thing of the future. It's happening right now in 2024, and it's impacting the way we work in ways we never imagined. In this video, we'll break down how AI is shaping the job market, whether robots are actually coming for your job, and what opportunities and challenges lie ahead in this evolving landscape. AI has already become a powerful force across various industries, from self-checkout machines at your local supermarket to chatbots handling customer service. Automation is growing in ways that are visible and sometimes not so obvious. In 2024, AI isn't just about replacing routine tasks, it's getting smarter. With technologies like machine learning and natural language processing advancing rapidly, AI can now analyze data, interpret human speech, and even make decisions based on complex patterns. This means we're not just talking about robots performing assembly line work anymore. AI is now capable of doing jobs traditionally held by highly skilled professionals. Think financial analysis, data entry, and even legal research. So the question naturally arises, are these advancements in AI just enhancing our productivity, or are they making human workers obsolete? It's essential to understand that not all jobs are equally at risk. According to recent studies, the types of jobs most susceptible to AI takeover tend to be routine, repetitive tasks. This includes roles like data entry clerks, factory workers, retail cashiers, and even some basic administrative positions. Jobs that revolve around processing predictable patterns or involve repetitive physical activities are particularly vulnerable. For example, companies like Amazon have been utilizing robotics to manage their warehouse logistics for years, and these robots are becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient each year. Similarly, in the world of finance, AI is being used to detect fraudulent transactions, process loans faster, and even give personalized investment advice. With automation being far cheaper and often more reliable than human labor, it's not hard to see why companies are rapidly integrating AI to boost efficiency and cut costs. While certain jobs are at risk, many others are still safe for now. Generally, jobs that require complex problem-solving, creativity, empathy, or social intelligence are much harder for AI to replicate. Think of professions like therapists, teachers, artists, and high-level strategists. The common factor: these roles require a deep understanding of human behavior, emotional intelligence, or highly nuanced thinking, all of which AI currently struggles with. Additionally, jobs that require manual dexterity and high variability, such as electricians or plumbers, remain difficult to automate. However, just because a job isn't being replaced doesn't mean AI isn't changing how it's done. Take journalism, for example. AI can now assist in drafting news articles, providing research, and analyzing large data sets. This doesn't mean journalists are losing their jobs, but rather their roles are evolving to work alongside AI, focusing more on creative storytelling and investigative work, while letting AI handle more tedious aspects of the job. One significant way AI is impacting the job market is by creating new roles that never existed before. The development and maintenance of AI require a whole new set of skills and jobs. Roles like AI trainers, data analysts, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists are in high demand, and many of these jobs didn't exist just a few years ago. Companies now need specialists who can design, implement, and refine AI systems, as well as people who understand the ethical implications of AI in decision-making. This presents an opportunity for workers willing to adapt and learn new skills. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that not everyone has access to education or training in these emerging fields. The challenge becomes ensuring that workers can transition from roles at risk of automation to these new opportunities in AI-related fields, a task that governments, educational institutions, and companies all need to address. A significant concern is the potential for a widening gap between those who have the skills to work with AI and those who do not. For many workers in routine jobs, the transition to AI-related roles isn't just about learning how to use new software. It might require require entirely new ways of thinking, problem solving, and understanding technology. Governments and industries will need to focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce to prepare for these changes. However, it's not all doom and gloom. AI has the potential to drastically improve productivity and efficiency in many sectors, which can lead to economic growth and the creation of new jobs. For instance, by automating time-consuming tasks, businesses can reallocate human resources to more meaningful, high-impact work. This shift could mean that instead of fearing AI, workers can leverage it as a tool to boost their capabilities and performance. Furthermore, AI can improve workplace safety by taking over dangerous tasks that put human workers at risk. Consider industries like mining or construction, where the use of AI-driven machinery can reduce the number of accidents. By delegating hazardous or physically strenuous jobs to AI, companies can improve safety standards and allow human workers to focus on roles that require complex decision-making and creativity. The question remains, though, will AI eventually reach a point where it can replace all human jobs? Most experts agree that this is unlikely, at least not anytime soon. AI is a powerful tool, but it still lacks the intuition, creativity, and empathy that humans bring to the table. Moreover, human oversight is crucial in ensuring AI systems function correctly and ethically, which means there will always be a need for people to guide and monitor AI technologies. So, what does this mean for you? The reality is that AI is here to stay, and its presence in the workforce will only continue to grow. While it will replace some jobs, it will also transform others and create entirely new opportunities. The key takeaway is to be adaptable, stay informed about technological advancements, and be willing to learn new skills. In an ever-changing job market, those who can work alongside AI, leveraging its capabilities to enhance their work, will likely find themselves at an advantage. In conclusion, AI is transforming the job market, but it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Some jobs will be automated, others will evolve, and many new opportunities will arise. Rather than asking whether robots will replace you, perhaps the better question is, are you prepared to work with them? The future of work will depend on how we adapt to these changes, both individually and as a society. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and the future of work. Let us know in the comments how you think AI will impact your job or industry.